In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase productivity in Zendesk using a simple trigger. Triggers automate repetitive tasks, helping streamline your workflow and save time. First, navigate to the Zendesk website and click Sign In. Enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Go to Admin Center. From here, select Objects and Rules, and then click on Triggers. This is where you'll create your custom automation. Click Create Trigger, give it a descriptive name, and add a brief description so everyone knows its purpose. Assign a category for organization. Now, set the conditions for when this trigger should fire, and define the actions that should happen automatically. Once everything is ready, click Create to finalize your trigger. Congratulations, you've successfully created a trigger. Testing it in real-world scenarios ensures it works as intended, boosting your team's efficiency and productivity. In today's